Hey guys, how are you doing? How was everything? I hope everything is okay. In our today's lesson, we are gonna talk about mid-chapter checkpoint. And this is, as you know, for the previous 3 lessons in chapter 11. Let's start with the first part, vocabulary. Of course, you have studied the meaning of each word. Then you will choose the best term from the box to answer your questions. The first word is clockwise, and the second word is counterclockwise. The third one is degree, and the last one, protractor. Let's see the first question. The unit used to measure an angle is called the unit. I'm asking you about the unit. And it has this shape, small circle. Again, can you see the small circle? The unit used to measure an angle is called degree. Great job. Question 2. The opposite of the direction in which the hands of a clock move. The opposite of the direction in which the hands of a clock move. Do you remember this picture? Yes, it's a clock. And this picture? Yes, it's the same clock, but there are differences between them in the shading parts. When you stand on the top and you will move with the ray, you will move to the right. You will move to what? To the right hand side. And if you stop and if you stand on the top, then you will move with your ray, you will move to the right hand side. Okay? When you see you're moving to the right hand side, you should to tell me it's a clockwise. Turn clockwise. Okay? Okay, let's see the next picture. I'm gonna stand on the top, then I'm gonna turn to this side. What does it called? It's left hand side. It's left hand side. When you see left hand side, you should to tell me it's the opposite. It's the opposite of the direction in which hands of a clock move. It's the opposite called counterclockwise. Great. Let's see question 3. A watt is a tool. Is a tool for measuring the size of an angle. What is a tool that you can use to measure the size of an angle? You remember it? Great, it's a protractor. Let's see question 4. Tell whether the angle on the circle shows a quarter or a half or 3/4 or 1 full turn clockwise or counterclockwise. Let's see. Stand on the top. Move with your ray. To the right or to the left? To the right. Yes, of course, I know the answer now. It's clockwise. Yes, exactly, it's clockwise. Now tell me, what does the part represent? What fraction does a part represent? Great job, it's 1/4. 1/4, turn clockwise. Let's see question 5. Stand on the top and move with your ray. To the left or to the right? Exactly to the left. Exactly, I know the answer now. Counterclockwise, because I saw the left hand side direction. Okay, what does the part represent? Great, 1/2, turn counterclockwise. Question 6. Question 6. Stand on the top. Imagine yourself stand on the top here. Okay? Then move with your ray. You will move to the right or to the left? To the right. When I see the right hand side direction, of course I know the answer now. It's clockwise. Okay. What does a part represent? What does a part represent? Here, what does a part represent? 1/4 or 2 or 1/2 or 3/4? If I complete my parts, exactly 3/4. Great job. Turn clockwise. The last one, stand on the top and move with your ray. I'm gonna move to left hand side. So I know the answer now. And I'm asking you about the fraction. Does a part represent? Exactly 1 full turn counterclockwise. Great job. Question 8. Tell the measure of the angle in degrees. He wants you to write the measure in degrees. Let's see the shaded part. What fraction does it represent? Exactly, he wrote the fraction 100 over 360. Oh, he gives me the answer. So the answer in degrees, 100 degrees, because he said to me 100 parts over 360 parts. So in degrees, 100 degrees, 100 parts represent 100 degrees. Question 8. I want the answer in degrees. Let's see the part that shaded. What fraction does the part represent? Great. 1/12. When I see 1/12, I can't label the answer in degrees directly. I should follow my mathematical way, which is 1/12 multiply up and down by a number to gives me here 36. 12 multiply what? Gives me 36, and don't forget to write 0. 12 multiply what? Gives me 36. Exactly, we have studied. 12 multiply 3. So I'm gonna multiply by 30. All the number 30. So 30 up and down. 1 multiplied by 30 is gonna be 30. So the answer in degrees is 30 degrees. Great job. Question number 10. Use a protractor to draw the angle. I'm gonna use my protractor to draw the angle, which is measure 75 degrees. Firstly, I should to state a point. I should to label a point in any space. Then use your protractor as a ruler to draw a ray like this. Excellent. Complete. State another point on your ray and name it A and B. Exactly. Complete. Use your protractor on the vertex A, the center on the vertex A. Look again. Look again. Great. Again. The center on the vertex A and the 0 on the ray. Can you see? 0? It's on the ray. Then count to reach 75. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and stop. I need 75. I need 75 here. So I'm gonna put a point to label the place to join it with the vertex A. Join the vertex A with a new point, which is C maybe, and draw a ray. Now I finished my answer, and my answer is gonna be an acute angle. An acute angle. Question 11. He wants you to draw an angle measures 127 degrees. State a point. First, state a point. Second, draw a ray. Third, state another point on your ray and name them. I'm gonna name them X and Y. Third, put the protractor center on the vertex X. Again, I'm gonna see you again. Yes, the protractor center on the vertex X. Then count from 0, which is on the ray, to 127. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Stop. 120. I need 125, 126, 127. Maybe 127 here. After 125, 126, 127. And label a point. Then join this point with the vertex X with another ray and name it, as you see, Z. So I draw my angle ZXY, which represent 127 degrees. It's an obtuse angle. It's an obtuse angle. Great job, guys. Let's complete. Phillip watched a beach volleyball game from 1 o'clock and 45 minutes p.m. to 2 o'clock p.m. How many degrees did the minute hands turn? He starts his watching from 1 o'clock and 45 minutes here to 2 o'clock p.m. And can you see the shaded part? What does it represent? Great, it's 1/4. How could you write 1/4 in degrees? How many degrees did the minute hand turn? Exactly 1/4 equals 90 degrees. Excellent. Question 13. What angle does this piece of pie form? Can you see this part? Imagine you have the center of the circle here, and you have the first ray and second ray. What does it represent? Which angle does it represent? Exactly a straight angle or 180 degrees. Good answer. Question 14. What is measure angle CPT? Use a protractor to help you. Where is my protractor? My protractor, come in. Great. You should put it on the vertex P. The center of the protractor on the vertex P. And 0 on the ray PC. And count to know the measure. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. No. Come back. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, 60. And stop. Because you see the ray here. Maybe 62, 63. Let's see my answer. It's 62 degrees. Try to do it in your book. Question 15. Go deeper. Matt cut a circle into 8 equal pieces or 8 equal sections. Do you imagine a circle is divided into 8 equal pieces or into 8 equal sections like this? Great. Let's complete our reading. He drew an angle. He drew an angle that measures the same as the total measure of 3 of the sections in the circle. That means he drew an angle measures 3 parts. What is, my question is, what is a measure of the angle Matt drew? What is a measure of this angle? He took 3 parts of 8 parts. He took 3 eighths. And my question is, what is the measure? The measure in degrees, of course. So I'm gonna use my mathematically way. I'm gonna use multiplication way to know 8 multiply what gives me 36. And don't forget to write a 0. Tell me your answer as a comment after you finished your watching. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.